Second, maintain a budget. KO22. KO22. This is the order 101092. So overall budget how much? Management has given me 5 lakhs only. If you want to add, you can add again. You can come here and you can add. That's again, if you take the approval from the management, you can come and add, no problem. They have given budget only for 2026. We are conducting in 2026 financial year. 2026. Sorry, 5 lakhs. The total budget 5 lakhs is for 2026. We can even distribute our budget for different years also. Okay. Again, these settings are come from budgeting control settings. Save. So order is created with budget. Budget is 5 lakh rupees.